Have you ever looked outside and wondered why water falls from the sky on some days? It's a fascinating natural phenomenon called rain, and here's how it works. Imagine you're outside on a warm, sunny day. The sun is shining and it feels warm on your skin, right? That's because the sun heats up everything, including the lakes, rivers, and oceans. When water gets warm, some of it turns into a gas called water vapor. Imagine invisible steam rising from a pot of boiling water. That's a bit like water vapor. But where does this water vapor go? It doesn't just stay near the ground. It rises up, and away into the air. Up there, it's much cooler. You see, as water vapor goes higher, it begins to cool down and change back into tiny drops of water. This process is like a magic trick called condensation. It's a bit like when you open a cold drink on a hot day and see little droplets forming on the outside of the can. Now, these tiny droplets start to get together, forming bigger and bigger groups, sort of like friends at a party. This is how clouds are made. If the air keeps bringing in more water vapor, the clouds become heavier and darker. At some point, clouds can't hold any more water. Think of it like filling a sponge with water. At first, it can soak up a lot, but eventually it starts to drip. When clouds get too full of water, they let it go, and that's when we get rain. Raindrops fall from the clouds because of gravity, that invisible force that keeps us on the ground. The drops might start large, or they may be tiny at first and grow as they fall, merging with others. So, next time you see rain falling from the sky, you can think of all the tiny droplets rising up, cooling off, and joining together to make the clouds you see above. And remember, rain is important because it gives water to all the plants, fills up rivers, and keeps our planet full of life. Isn't nature just amazing?